Thank you very much. This is Ken Creative Concepts. Today, we'll be teaching you how to remove watermark from Googleflow videos for free. Now, follow me, stay tuned to the end of this video. I promise I'll make this video a very short one so that you'll be detailed. Yes, sit down. So, I'm going to be unveiling the tools you will use. So, now, to do this, all you need to do is go to a website called Shotcut. Shotcut.org. Look at it here, shotcut.org. You enter. Now you see this is the interface. You go to download. Look at it here. You click on download. When you click on download, now depending on the system you are using and the operating system. Now for mine, I will go for Windows. I'll click here. Then it will start installing. Now, in order not to waste your time, I already have this app. I'm just showing you how to download it. Now, after clicking here, it is supposed to automatically download. If you can take note, if you can see, my screen is already downloading. But I'm going to, after downloading, then you now pause this. So after you install in your system. So I'm now going to dive in. So I already have it in my system, so I'm just going to open the software. This is video editing software. You can also use this to edit your video, but for the purpose of this lesson, for the purpose of this video, we are just going to use it to remove a watermark from a Google video or any other video that have a watermark. So you can use this to remove it. So let's go. So after you have clicked it, so you can click on this, you find out this interface like this. You click on project folder, you click on it, then you select where you want your video to store. If it is on a desktop, download. In my own case, I'll select desktop, and I'll select folder, then I'll give the project a name. Let's say let me give it a watermark, for instance. Then you click on start. Now after clicking start, now the next step is for you to click on open file. When you click on open file, this is open file, then you look for the video that have a video with a watermark. So I'm going to look for a video with a watermark, any video I have with a watermark. Let me see a video with a watermark. Do I have any video? Okay, now this video have a watermark. So after drag it to the timeline. Now after dragging it to the timeline here, so you click on the plus button by the left hand side. Look at it, add filter. You click on it, then you search for spot remover. You can see it here. You click on spot remover. Now you see a box will appear on the video interface. Then you now click and hold it. When you click it, make sure this cross sign is appearing. Then you hold and drag it to the watermark. Now voila, if you have done this, it is done. Now depending on the size of the watermark, you can extend, you can reduce it to fit the size or length of the watermark. So after doing this, so the next thing you do is to export your video. So you click on export. Once you click on export, you come down here and you click on export video /audio. Now you just click on this and you select the folder where you want it to be and the name you want it. Remember, I've already given it water and we have selected folder earlier, but you can still change if you wish to. So you now click on save. Now if you have done that, now this is it. I will go down and play it. Now this is done, it has exported. So I will go to my desktop. Now see the video here with the name water. Then I'll click on it. that is that about this video. So if you watch up to this, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you till I come your way again next time. Thank you very much. Remain blessed.